I asked them to join. My past batch, who has placed in MNC, I said them to join. Let us see. They will join. Let us take the inputs, ma. Whatever the inputs you need, you can take from them actually. Okay. So they just how they prepared, and I will ask the questions like how you prepared, and as a student, you can ask them which type of questions they will ask in the interview, and how you need to prepare, and all those type of things. Please try to ask them. Okay. I mean, uh, how confident we need to feel while working with, while giving the interviews. So how I help them, that type of things. Okay, you can ask what type of questions were asked in the interviews, and how did the training help them. The type of questions you please try to ask. Okay, everyone, please feel free to ask. Okay, ma, getting my point, Shahid?
Yes, sir. Now.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
very
They haven't joined it. I think I requested them to join, but let's see. Why? Because till yesterday they worked, right? So today they will be taking some rest. Okay. So before that, I just wanted to tell you one small thing. We are at background scripts, right? So background script. Before that, I just said that on submit client script we have forgot it, right? So let us try to go for the Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electronics. So let us try to deactivate that particular client script which we have been written in the past. Okay. So let me try to deactivate all the scripts which we have been written. I think, yeah, I deactivated it. So, so actually what I was trying to do is like I was trying to write an on submit client script. Okay. So other needs to join, everyone joined. Okay, done. So actually I was trying to write an on submit client script. When does this particular on submit client script will work, ma? Arbas, tell me.
when we submit the forms.
When we are trying to submit the form, this on submit client script will come into picture. So actually, if there is no serial number, this particular form should not get submitted. Okay. So uh, have you, I mean, if you are trying to save it, it is getting saved, right? So what I was trying to do is like, if we are not giving this particular serial number, then the form should not get submitted. Will Can we achieve this scenario using UI policy? Is that possible? No, right? So it is not possible. So that's the reason we need to write an on change client, sorry, on submit client script. So just click on new. Mm, serial number enhancement. All and on submit client script. Copy. So yeah. So if there is no serial number in the sense, which type, how can I write this? Nasrin, tell me. Nasreen, Qadarunisa, Kirti, Koti.
We should declare a variable if that variable is not
Yeah. So just try to declare a variable where serial number is equal to g underscore form dot. Tell me.
Get value.
Get value of.
serial number.
Where is that serial number? Here it is. No. No. Next.
If variables
Okay.
Serial
Serial number equal to empty. Then
empty.
that's it.
written
Perfect. Right. How you know?
Can go with non-empty, right?
Or else written.
true.
True.
Here it will work. No worries. So now we need to make the code as in a correct format and then just try to save it. So they haven't given any serial number and I'm trying to submit. Is it getting submitted, ma? No, it will not submit. Still it is
We
-1.
should alert the message also now.
Yes, perfect. So as because we can't assume that it is submitting or not, we need to generate a message as well. What would be the message?
Alert. Please enter serial number.
Yes, please enter serial number. In interview, they will ask this question: how to stop the form submission in the on submit client script? How will you do it, ma? How to stop the form submission in on submit in client script? Just tell me this. What is the syntax which we will be using, ma? Return false.
Stop.
False.
Return false. That's it. So return false is the thing which you will be using to stop the form submission. Then what about server side script? Anyone else?
Set workflow.
That is for stopping all the business rules and the workflows running on the current table. So do we have?
gr.query.
Yeah, Money and Sagar joined, I guess. Satya, how to stop the form submission in the server side? We need to use?
gr.query.
Yeah. No. Said about action true. So I haven't said this. Sorry. Yeah. We need to use what, ma?
Set about action.
Yeah. Set about action true. I will tell you this in live environment so that you can easily check this. Yeah. So have you understood how to stop the form submission in the client script, ma? Return false. How to stop the
Yes.
form submission in server side script?
Set
About
action. True.
Set about action.
What
Yeah. Now my students joined. Let me check. Satya, I hope we can't hear you. Can you please speak? You there?
Now, can you able to hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you. So thanks for joining. I just wanted to introduce you to my present batch students. So hello guys. Actually, his name is Satya. So he got an good job in MNC. So you can ask him the questions. Before that, Satya, what advice will you give to the new students to success in this particular training, ma'am? And one
Okay.
more thing I just wanted to ask is like, how did you manage your time between this trainings, practice, and preparation for this particular placements? Can you please answer these two for me?
Sure. Actually,
Yeah.
hello everyone. So my name is Sagar. So I have total 2.4 experience in IT industry, whereas I started my career as QA, I mean testing. So then I just came through. I mean, I just thought to change the domain into ServiceNow, and I just saw YouTube video. There I found Imran by mobile name, contact number, and then I directly called him and asked him that I will be changing my domain to ServiceNow. Then from then he started guiding me and supporting me till I get the job. So I just directly joined into the course and taken a course for 2 months training. So during this period, he helped me a lot. I mean, in covering real-time scenarios. As in interviews, they might ask real-time scenarios. We'll be keeping our experience, right? So as Imran Bhai will cover everything, real-time scenarios that he's worked on, and that will help. I mean, that will boost our what do we say, uh, thought process and everything. So I just want to convey one thing that use the coaching as precise as you can and just practice everything. Apart from coaching, I used to manage my studies to, I mean, extent of 4 hours daily. I used to revise every topic on daily basis, and I used to complete the assignments that is given by Imran Bhai. And I used to ask him doubts if I get any in meanwhile, and he'll be available every time. He'll be replying in WhatsApp. He might not answer the call, but he'll be replying in WhatsApp at any time. So just definitely use Imran as much as you can, as because this is what everyone say in school also. Just use your lecturer teacher as much as you can so that you can get a good job. And I can definitely assure you that with the help of this coaching, you'll definitely get into the job. And now currently I'm working in one of the MNC company, whereas I'm working for a platform side where it includes everything which covers notifications, workflows, scripting and everything. Now that I can do on my own just because of this Imran sir coaching. So that's what I can say. Just focus on coaching and just keep consistency. That's all I can say. You'll definitely secure a job, as I can assure you that there are immense calls in the service row. As I'm not even applying now, I'm getting around 2 to 3 calls on every daily basis, even though I'm having just 2 years of experience in IT. So just focus on it and get the job, and all the best, everyone. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
This is what I can.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Satya. So, anyone else, any students have any doubts, just you can ask or shoot the questions to Satya, Sagar. Shahid, anyone else?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Satya, thanks for joining and thanks for the advice. I would
Yeah.
like to ask, how do you manage your time to cope with this?
So initially we used to have class at 9. So if not, it will be postponed to 10 till 11:30. So after then, I used to work on my regular daily basis. At 6 p.m., I used to start studying again. 6 to 8 p.m. again, and 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. dinner, and then 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. practice every day. These are I practiced for 2 months.
Okay,
And
thank
also
you.
other thing, Imran Bhai will definitely help you in preparing for the interviews. He'll be giving some interview questions and interview tips as well. Some resume building tips as well, and how you should update the Naukri and all these things. He'll be doing that. So you, as a student, you don't need to worry that he'll help everything to get into a job. You just focus. Your just focus needs to be in preparation. In these 2 months, just get all the hands-on experience on different things like workflows and notifications and email scripts and administration part entirely, so that when you get into a job, that you'll not be panicking again.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no issue.
Anyone else?
Hi,
Uh, yeah, Koti. Yeah, please go ahead.
As is new domain for us, right? Like when we trigger a question like tell me about yourself, what are the things you did in last
in the last domain, like the last few years, like how to tackle this type of questions. Like if you want to go with keep the interview first, they will ask, tell me about yourself, right?
Yeah, yeah. Are you asking
Definitely.
about roles and responsibilities?
No, no. Like ఇప్పుడు
అర్థమైంది.
ఫస్ట్
I got
Actually,
your point.
Telugu,
I got
Telugu
your
is
point.
okay, right? Okay for you?
అన్నా
తెలుగు ఓకే కదా మీకు?
ఓకే అన్న ఓకే.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను కూడా ఇనిషియల్ స్టేజ్ లో అదే భయంగా ఉంటుండే. అన్న ఊకే అంటుండే అన్నతోని, అంటే అన్న ఏం చేయాలి ఏం చేయాలి, నువ్వు టెన్షన్ పడకరా నేను చూసుకుంటాను, నేను అన్ని టీచ్ చేస్తాను కదా అని చెప్తుండే. లాస్ట్ కి అర్థమై ఉండే అంటే ఏం లేదా, ప్రతి ఒక్కటి అన్న చెప్తారు. ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా చాలా డీటెయిల్ గా
Sorry,
మీకు
I can't understand.
Okay, okay. I'll be explaining in English, no worries. So you don't worry about introduction question and everything. As in initial stages, even I used to think in the same way. I used to call Imran Bhai and ask him like, Hana, how should I manage and how can I manage? Can I or not? He used to guide me and he used to boost me like, what do you say? You don't worry about all those things. You just focus on your studies. I'll be helping in everything, introduction questions and interview preparation and everything. So introduction question, definitely he'll be helping you and he'll definitely give you one prompt. You can follow that. I mean, there's nothing much difference, bro. You'll definitely do that. If you just give one interview, you'll get to know how things will go. Just
ఓకే
don't
అన్న.
panic on that. Don't panic on that. Just go with the flow and just even after giving one interview, you'll get to know how everything is going. I mean, how easy it is to tackle the interview. Just be confident on the interview. That's it.
ఓకే అన్న. థ్యాంక్స్
Yeah.
అన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Hi, Satya. Whether
Hi.
whether there is any change between this real time and the Imran classes?
There's not much change because everything is related to ServiceNow only. Just minor changes in the sense the requirements will be changing, but the execution of those requirements and working on those things will be similar. We'll be working on as a developer, we'll be working on the forms and these workflows. I mean, automating the flows and everything. So there will be not major changes. We also have a AI with us, right? We can use that AI as well to get our work done.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, hello.
Hi, Javid.
Yeah, I have one question about you. Now are in project, right? So are you facing any problems while performing your client side script and server side scripts?
No,
Like you
not
have
yet.
any challenges on?
Not yet. Till today, I mean, I'm joined in last month, November 18th. So till today, I just
Okay.
worked on two things. That is one email notification scripts, and another thing is API integration. So
Okay.
both the things I just did myself.
Okay.
I mean, just because of these classes only, I can able to do that now. He'll be covering everything on related to scripting and integrations as well.
Okay. Actually, are you said like you performing client script, whether it is a more code or less code depends upon user story or what? I mean,
Depends on the user story actually. There's no thing like a more code and low code, and as ServiceNow itself suggests low code will be preferable, right? So most of the
yeah.
things are done without any coding only. If uh, if uh, if that is required mostly, then we need to do coding, but I don't think so that will be required more in ServiceNow. In future, maybe coding will be mostly removed, not removed I say, but it will be reduced to a lot of extent, as everything we can do that by out of the box itself.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, did the interview focus more on certification, experience, or practical skills?
Not on certification, just on practical scenarios, and it depends on the rounds, right? First technical round will be focusing on complete technical stuff. Then they'll be moving into real time scenarios. So
Okay.
don't worry about certification as of now.
Okay. One more question.
Hmm.
How can we go about preparing server-side script? How can you share your
He is asking
experience
like
about that?
how to prepare for the server side script and I mean how to handle
So,
all the criteria. That type of question he is asking, Satya.
server-side scripting, that's nothing much business rules we can say. Just handling with all the kind of business rule. Try in a different scenarios. Don't try in a simple ways. Just think in a different way. How can I tackle this in a different ways and just use background scripts to practice. I just say, sir, if you need to perfect in server-side scripting, be more practicing. All the other things we can learn and we can just explain in the interview, but when it comes to server side scripting you need to practice more and different type of scenarios. As we do in Java, we'll practice with the lead code and such kind of scenarios, right? So you just explore different scenarios and try to practice it. Yeah, is it clear? Or
Hi, Satya.
Yeah. Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you.
no problem. No problem.
Hi, Satya.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, how do you manage with the foreign clients in communication? Like, our communication is different, like foreign clients different. How do you manage with them?
Definitely, it will be different in the initial stages. It will be. I mean, I have not worked with the. I'm not working with the foreign clients now, but earlier in my previous project, I used to work with them when I working as a QA. Initially, it will be definitely difficult, but when time goes on, it will habituated to us. So there will be no more. I mean, no difficulties in facing them because just the communication itself is the difference. Work, everything that we do is similar, right? And even they
Yeah,
have more respect towards us.
yeah.
Yeah. So there will be no issue with those kind of things. We just need to manage the things. Basic English is also fine to manage those things.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay then. Anyone else
Thanks, and
question needs to ask? Please let me know. So actually, he is my student, and he cracked the job once after completing 40 days of training. He directly cracked the job, and he just messaged me stating that Anna, I got a job, Anna, and I felt very exciting at that moment. Actually, on every batch, I will be having around 3 to 4 students. They will get the job without any help or something. So this is one student which I got, and in this batch itself, we do have another two members. They haven't joined yet. I will ask them to join in the next weekend. And thank you so much, Satya. Very nice talking to you, and hope we all bless you to your long journey in service now. And thank you
thanks,
so much.
thanks, and
Achieve
thanks
your
for
goals
everything,
as soon as
forever.
possible, and you should be the lead in the next 2 to 3 years for sure. You
Hoping
have that
so.
capability in you. I have seen that capability in you as well.
Sure, Anna. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'll be
yeah.
keeping that word.
Sure,
Sure.
ma'am. Right.
Thank you, Anna. Bye
Okay,
bye.
ma'am.
All
All the
the
best.
best.
All the best for
All
your
the best,
future.
everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye, Satya.
Yeah, bye, Satya.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Ram.
Thanks, Anna. Bye.
Yeah, good. So now what you understood, ma, at last you can easily get the job with my training marks. I'm saying na, honestly, I'm saying if you want, I will involve other students as well, my success students. I will definitely involve them so that I mean, involving those students is not meant for my what I can say for my increment of this channel and all, not that type of things. I just wanted you to take the inputs from them as much as you can, as because you are studying and taking the training that that doesn't feed you, right? Taking the training is common, but at last the main theme is to get the job. That is the main theme, right? Everyone are here, right? To get the
Yes,
job
sir.
itself. So that's the reason what I
Okay.
was trying to say is like you need to be very well prepared for all these type of things. Then only you will get good job in service now, and for the next 20 years you can lead a very happy life, ma. Okay, that's what my thinking, and I was trying to say that. Okay. Any doubts? Just I'm there to help you. Service know each and every platform I know, ma. Okay. Whatever the task it is, whatever the question it is, we can easily handle it. As I said I will be saying from the starting, whenever at the time of starting of the session, I will say that. So this would be the interview question. Please try to concentrate on that. So that type of questions they will 100% they will ask. Got it, ma? Just say yes or
Yes,
no.
sir.
Everyone, I
Yes.
just wanted
Yes.
to
Yes, sir.
listen from all. Yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chaitanya,
Yes.
Jakir, Kirti,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, Imran.
yeah, Koti,
Yes, sir. No.
yeah. Praveen, first try
Yes, sir.
for
Yes, sir.
giving the interviews. Don't worry. Okay. Whatever it is, first interview you will fail. Second interview also you will fail. Let's assume. Okay. Third interview you will definitely survive, ma. Third interview you will definitely crack the interview. Got it, ma? Salahuddin? Zakir? Praveen?
I got it.
Yeah, ma. Okay then. Can we start our session? So I wantedly involved him to boost you guys. Okay. So at last you got it right, ma. He has placed in very great organization, ma. I will fortune for companies he joined actually. On his own, he cracked on his own without my help as well. I helped him at the last round, I guess, but he has managed such a way, excellent way. I mean, why? Because he know the subject. He did not to have anyone's help, or he can't. I mean, whatever it is. At last, he survived. He got the job. Okay. In the next week, I will involve some more guys who has placed before 1 year. Okay. Let me ask them to join. Uh, let us see. If they join, you can ask more questions. Why? Because he already survived in the job for past 1.5 years or 2 years or 3 years, right? So let us see if they got time, they will join for sure. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Chalo. The
Yes,
session
sir.
will get ended in 2 minutes. Just try to rejoin again. Just try to join again. I'm just ending the call. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.